Life in an ancient Chinese village during the Tang Dynasty. It's spring. The mountains are covered in mist. The river is flowing. Old farmer, another fine day. Heaven be praised. Child, grandfather, wait for me at the rice field. I'm coming. The camera pans over to the rice paddies. Water buffalo are grazing. Women are drawing water from the well. Men work in the fields. The rhythm of the village echoed through labor. In the town square, people have gathered for a festival. There is a dragon dance and music. Narrator. Festivals mark the passing of seasons. A group of children practice writing calligraphy under the shade of a large peach tree. Narrator. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the village gathered. As night falls, the village is aglow with paper lanterns. Whispers of the ancients. A journey into harmony, heritage, and the timeless spirit of ancient China.